Are you having transportation lock error in your Epson L8050? This error show up even though your printer is not on transportation lock. The cause of this error is a dirty guide rail, dust and old grease mix on the metal bar causing friction. To solve this, we're going to clean the metal bar and use silicone oil. First step, turn off your printer. Second step, clean the metal bar with tissue. Third step, after cleaning, put silicone oil to your finger and apply it to the metal bar. Do this until the metal bar is lubricated with silicone oil. Reminder, do not put excessive amount of silicone oil. After applying the silicone oil, turn on your printer. Now our printer has no error and working well. If you have questions regarding this video, just leave a comment.